seeking wisdom. I am the space where it appears. I am unthinking. I am seeing. Oh, ray to pale sapphire, dissolve the veil, the false divider. Not mind, not word, but vision clear. I am the light that knows without fear. Golden yellow ancient flame, awake inside without a name. I am the pause before I know, the silent yes beneath all known. I once saw me and you apart, two souls divided by the heart. But now I see the thread, the stream, the one behind the world's great dream. Christ's mind, Buddha heart, historians gaze, not distant forms but my own face. No sin or saint, no wrong or right, only light wearing temporarily nightly. No right, volley and all is one. My vision clears beneath the sun of source, where no opposites remain, just love that wears 1,000 names. I release judgment, I release division. I see with the eyes of wholeness. I am. Let this rise like liquid sapphire from heart to crown. Allow the syllables to vibrate the pineal gland, dissolving mental filters. Norame shivelta kailumar, turemvel muranum aruve. Golden light, third eye gate, open wide. I am the light that sees without eyes. Ihara. After the third time, hold silence for 7 breaths. Feel the soft pressure between your brows. A warmth, a shimmer, a knowing that is ray to the light of unity. Awakening, I do not seek oneness anymore. Stop dividing and walk through the door of perception where all forms unite. In the field of source beyond day and night, every being, lover, foe, stranger is a mirror of my own strange wonder. Not to fix, not to save, but to see we are one way. My life is not a journey out, it is a remembering shout. I am the light, I am the view. I am the one looking through. There is no other, there is only this. I am the seer, I am the seen. Oh, ray to pale sapphire, you are not mine, you are my sight. No teacher, text, or holy scroll, just stores arising in my soul. Golden light still and deep, where all illusions fall asleep. I am the pars, I am the flame, truth without a name. For the light behind the eyes, for the flash of insight, Noir for the star-born mind. I am the space for the field.